Have you been using a dating app such as Bumble, Happen, or Tinder, but yet you never seem to meet the right person? In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 dating app tips to ensure you manifest your dream relationship. Hi Lovebug, this is Priya, your Love Plus Manifestation Coach, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to manifest your dream relationship using a dating app. Now, I want to begin by first talking about the law of attraction. I want to shine some light on how it really works. So the law of attraction basically says that everything in your reality is a manifestation and is a reflection of your internal state of being. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, I like to use a mirror as an analogy. If you're smiling and you look into the mirror, you will see the mirror smiling back at you. If you have an angry face and you look into the mirror, you will see an angry face reflected back at you. Let's say that right now you have an angry face, you're looking into the mirror, but you want the mirror to smile back at you. Well, that's impossible. The mirror cannot smile back at you until you first smile. Now, in the same way, I want you to translate this to manifestation. Meaning the reflection that you're seeing in the mirror is the manifestation, is your circumstance, is your external environment. And your internal state of being, the way that you are feeling and thinking, your thought patterns, your vibrational patterns about yourself, your self-concept, is equivalent to whether you choose to smile or if you have an angry face. So what this means, effectively, to take it a step further, is that you are never not manifesting. You are always manifesting because you have a vibrational pattern that is broadcasting a signal to the universe 24/7 that the universe is responding to. So when it comes to using a dating app to manifest your dream relationship, it's really about what is going on internally, your internal state of being, that will dictate whether you are matched up with somebody who treats you well, treats you right, who is loving and kind, whether you are matched up with somebody who doesn't treat you well or with somebody who is a weirdo. Now, I can tell you firsthand that I have friends who have actually met their respective partners through dating apps. You know, their husbands or wives through dating apps. And equally, I have friends who have met people who have not treated them right, who have lied to them, or some, people who they consider weirdos, okay? And so you've got to think to yourself, why is it that it works for some people, that some people are able to find love, and for others, they just tend to attract people who don't treat them well or right? Well, this comes down to the law of attraction. Like, the law of attraction still applies to a dating app. Okay, so, who you are matched up with, like your energetic state of being is dictating who you're matched up with. So what this means is if your energetic state of being says, I don't value myself, I don't feel worthy, I don't feel lovable, I'm seeking love, I'm seeking approval, I'm seeking validation, right? If you're seeking something, that means that you're not it, right? Because if you were it, if you knew you were lovable, you wouldn't be seeking love. So when you're seeking something, it implies you don't have it. So when you're seeking a relationship, when you're trying to find a relationship, the signal you're broadcasting to the universe is, I don't have a relationship. And, if you're seeking love, the energetic signal that you're broadcasting to the universe is, I am not lovable. And so the universe is responding to this, which means that you're going to be matched up with people who also don't love themselves, who are also seeking love or seeking a relationship. And therefore, you're going to attract people who either don't treat you well because they don't love themselves, or, you get into a relationship, but it's a toxic relationship because basically you've just been matched up with somebody who is vibrating at the same frequency as you, meaning somebody who also doesn't love themselves, who doesn't value themselves, and who doesn't feel that they are worthy of love. So the law of attraction, my message here, applies to everything. It doesn't matter what action you are taking because the universe isn't responding to your action or to your words. The universe is responding to your energy, meaning who are you being as you show up in the world? Because you could equally be at a party or you could go speed dating, okay? And if you haven't shifted your internal state of being, so if you have vibrational patterns that says, I'm seeking love, I'm not worthy, I'm seeking a relationship, then you're just going to manifest the same outcome in a different place, right? So you could be at a party and you meet somebody, but they don't treat you well. Equally, you could be on a dating app and you meet somebody, but they don't treat you well. Okay, so you will continue to manifest the same outcome in different environments and in different scenarios if you don't change your vibrational pattern. Because you can't run away from your vibration. You are a vibrational being, you living in a vibrational universe. Your vibration is who you are being. Who are you showing up as right now in the world? Who are you being as you show up in the world? That is your vibrational pattern. And so until you first shift this to say, you know what, I know I'm good enough, I know I'm lovable, I know my worth, I know my value. Until you first take the time to shift your self-concept about yourself and you truly begin to value yourself and feel and know your worth, you cannot manifest your dream relationship. You're blocking it off because you're not an energetic match to that. You're an energetic match to something else that says, I don't love myself, I don't value myself. And so therefore you're going to call in partners who also don't love themselves and value themselves. And it doesn't matter which medium you're using to meet people, whether it's a dating app, whether you go speed dating, whether you're going to a party, whether you go on vacation, you're going to be matched up with the same type of people. So the key is to really focus inwards on your internal state of being. So when it comes to what are my 2 tips to using a dating app to manifest your dream relationship, it's basically this. Tip number 1, check in with yourself and really ask yourself, what is my energetic approach to relationships right now? Am I seeking approval, validation? Am I seeking love? Am I seeking a relationship? Am I feeling needy? Am I feeling desperate? What energy are you approaching the dating app from? Or do you know that you're lovable? Do you feel worthy? Do you know that you're good enough? Do you know your worth and your value? So check in with yourself, be honest with yourself. What energetic approach am I approaching this dating app from? That's number 1. You want to ask yourself that and get real with yourself. Number 2 is once you know the answer to question number 1, you then want to act upon this. So if you acknowledge to yourself, you know what, right now I'm seeking, I am needing, I'm really desperate, I'm looking for approval and validation, then you want to pull back. Right, this is now where you want to pull back and you want to say to yourself, okay, you know what? I'm going to focus on my internal state of being first, on getting what is going on vibrationally inside me, getting that into alignment with what I want before I take any action. Because remember, the universe is not responding to your action or to your words. The universe is responding to your energy. So no amount of action in the world can compensate for misaligned energy. So you first want to focus on your energy, on your internal state of being, on getting that into alignment with what you desire in your epic love life. So my message is really this: when it comes to dating online and using apps or any form of dating, but okay, let's focus on using an app to date. You first want to check in on your internal state of being. What energetic approach are you approaching this dating app from? Because your energetic state of being is going to dictate the type of people that you get matched up with. So if you're feeling needy, if you're feeling desperate, if you don't love yourself, you will be matched up with people who are also feeling needy and desperate and who don't feel loved and therefore will not treat you right. Or if you do get into a relationship, it will end up being a toxic relationship. So the key to being matched up with beautiful, aligned, authentic people who respect you, who love you, who value you, and who adore you, is to first turn inwards and make sure that you love yourself, you adore yourself, you respect yourself, and you value yourself. Because everything is just a reflection of who you are being. Now, in just a second, I'm going to share with you how you can begin to change your vibrational patterns so that it aligns with what you desire in your love life. But first, if you are finding this content valuable, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post new videos around how to manifest your epic love life. Also, I would love to hear from you. Are you somebody who currently has vibrational patterns that is aligned with what you desire in your love life or not? Comment below and let me know. Finally, let's talk about how to rearrange your vibrational patterns so that it aligns with your epic love life, so that when you go to using a dating app, you will be matched up with people who treat you the way that you want to be treated. Well, this is about getting into the energy of wholeness. So the energy of wholeness says, I am good enough the way that I am lovable the way that I am, and I am worthy the way that I am. Now, when you focus on shifting yourself into this state of consciousness, you will feel so good about yourself. You will feel so whole and complete from the inside out that you will no longer be seeking love. You will no longer be seeking that relationship or trying to make it happen. Instead, you'll be so in love with yourself and in life that you will magnetize to you, you will attract to you like a moth to a flame, your dream relationship. So the key to shifting your vibrational patterns to align with your epic love life is about getting into the energy of wholeness. It's about doing the internal work so that you become the greatest version of yourself, so that you cultivate a healthy relationship with yourself where you know for sure that you're lovable, that you're good enough, and that you're worthy exactly the way that you are. When you are dwelling at this state of consciousness, this is now who you are showing up as in the world. This is now who you are being. Guess what? You will begin to magnetize to you people who equally love themselves and value themselves, and therefore they can treat you with so much love and adoration. They can treat you exactly the way that you desire to be treated in a relationship, but it begins with you. So getting into the energy of wholeness is the key to shifting your vibrational patterns to align with your epic love life and with your dream relationship. Now, if you want to learn how to get into the energy of wholeness so that you can rearrange your vibrational patterns to align with what you desire in your dream relationship, click the link below to get access to my free masterclass, 6 Steps to Manifest Your Soulmate Relationship, where I show you step by step exactly how to do this. Also, if you enjoyed this video, you can watch my video on how to stop attracting the same type of people here next. Thanks for watching this video, love bug, on my tips when it comes to using a dating app to manifest your dream relationship. Give me a thumbs up if it resonated for you, and I will catch you soon.